gun store here in Las Vegas, and we're here on Christmas Day to do what every good Christian should be doing, is shooting some guns for Jesus' birthday.
We're gonna kill zombies.
This is fucking so funny, dude. The LED Christmas. So we just walk down the line here, I guess, and then we pan something. Open that up.
Alright, where you guys from, man?
From Vancouver, dude.
Amsterdam, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, heard about you guys, man.
Yeah.
Fucking Mississippi. Come on, guys, let's go ahead and step right inside, guys. Oh yeah, give me the tray of ammo, dude.
Wicked, dude.
All right, cool. If you want to, you can actually put your rucksack and stuff right down over there on the bench.
Cool, bro.
And you can put your targets over there too.
Which?
Put your targets?
Yep.
Yeah. All right, who wants to start first? Then?
Robinson.
Yeah, you do, dude. Which one do you want to start? Uzi.
I'll go with Uzi.
Yeah. Give me a target, man. Give me a target, dude.
We're gonna start with the Uzi.
Yeah, I read about you guys while I was in Iraq.
There you go, that.
Cool. Yeah. Action figure, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard about you guys. I read about you guys when I was in Iraq in FHA magazine.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's like, why the fuck am I going to goddamn Europe to go fucked up in Amsterdam?
That's right.
Flying over, yeah. Cheaper too.
It's good times there.
Cool. Yeah, I just gotta save up some vacation time. Okay, let's go. We're gonna get you a good picture also too after.
All right.
You got a target for me? You right-handed, left-handed?
I'm right-handed.
All right, cool. All right, good. Can you just set this off to the side right here? I'll explain the operation on the Uzi. All right, now, you put your left hand right down here. Right hand over here, finger off the
Okay.
until you're ready to put that in. Now, you make sure your thumb is touching your middle finger there. Put it up to your shoulder. And what you do is you take right here, look for the pole, look for the sight.
Okay.
Now, aim for the finger right down over here, and then his chest.
All right.
So that way, because it likes to go up and down, the Uzi. Lean into it, you fire a burst. Da 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 da.
All right.
Just a good medium burst on there, approximately about 6 to about 9 pounds.
Okay, sure thing.
Yeah, just da 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 da, just like using fucking bugs.
All right, bud.
All right. Come on down over here. Put your left hand. Now, squeeze the grip safety, finger off the trigger. Now, put it up to your shoulder, right to the sight. Now, finger off the trigger now, finger off the trigger. Now, see the post? Okay, now put it right on his chest. All right, hold on here. Now, lean forward just a bit. Okay, now shoot the bugger. Hold on here, man. Watch yourself, watch yourself. All right. Now. Good. Now, keep it pointed at the target. Keep it pointed at the target. Now, safety. Squeeze it. I'm going to go to the seam. Okay, now, put the sight right on his chest, or you can hit him in the balls too if you want. Shoot. Awesome, awesome, good shit.
Yeah! Uzi 9mm.
There you go, dude. All right, let me bring back the target and get you a picture, okay?
All right, sure.
Back right there. Now hold on to the Uzi. Hold on to the Uzi.
Oh.
No, right there. here's how you do it. Now, I'll place you in a position. You just got to just do is just see where is it. Now, what it is your left hand is going to be like this, right on the forearm. Now, on the pistol grip, until you're ready to fire. Okay. Now, just make sure your thumb is touching the middle finger at all times.
Okay.
Put it up to your shoulder.
Yep.
Aim right through here, that small hole, that post right there. Now, what you do is you put the post right about over here.
All right.
Because the Uzi likes to climb this way.
Okay.
So that way he can also shoot his freaking melon off, okay?
Yeah, cool.
All right, now, let me put the target up.
You like it?
Okay, now switch over to my left. Whoop.
Hey, what happened to this?
Okay, now give me your left hand. All right, put it just like that. Now, nice and firm. Good. Now, finger off the trigger. Now, squeeze the grip safety.
Yep.
Okay, thumb touching the middle finger. Good. Now, put it up to your shoulder. All right, now put some meat right into behind there. Good. Now, place your cheek right there. Now, finger off the trigger, finger off trigger. Now, squeeze this fucker right there.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, now, tip of the front post, right there where his freaking collarbone is at.
Yep.
Right? Okay. Now, remember, nice and easy, short burst, okay, please?
Copy that.
All right, cool. All right, now, lean forward. Go ahead, give me a burst. Shoot the fucker. Go left a little bit. Now, make sure your thumb is touching the middle finger there. There you go, good. Left. Good, finger off trigger. Now just keep it pointed at the target. Okay, squeeze that for me, squeeze it. Go ahead. And fire. Oh. Right there, nice. Awesome. Good job, good job.
Woo! Yeah. Yeah.
Position, your choice.
Maybe I'll do them both.
Yeah, go ahead. All right, now finger off the trigger. Now put it up to your shoulder. Now look right through there. You cool? Go ahead, shoot when you're ready.
Oh. Oh, that's serious, dude.
Okay, now kick your right leg back. There you go, brother. All right, right there. Cool shit, huh?
Holy shit.
Yeah!
All
Wait till you
right,
stand here and feel.
Okay, now let's see what we got here. Let me bring the target back.
Dude, it's gnarly.
Lean forward with it. Okay, zap him when you want him. Lean into it, brother. Lean into it, lean into it. There you go.
Oh my god, this is fucking crazy. That's it?
Awesome, good shit. All
Fucking
right.
A, dude. That is insane.
All right, now let me just get you up. Let me bring the target back.
Thank you. Okay.
All right.
Everybody fucking understands 12 gauge. Get the fuck out of the house.
That's
There you
right,
go.
yeah.
Fuck up. Bam. All right, done. All right, which one?
Get the fuck up.
1911 or Shotty?
We're the shotgun and finish with the handgun.
Yeah, baby.
All right, give me a target, brother. All right, got my brother-in-law Hunts again.
That's right.
Let's fuck him up.
Let's fuck him up.
Yeah, this is the dude right here that'll come in your house, eat everything out of your fridge, and drink all your beer and not replace it.
Let's fucking kill this guy.
Yeah, there you go. Look for the pyramid. Put the tip of the thing right there on top of the pyramid.
Okay.
Okay, left hand right there on the slide. Right hand on the pistol grip. Finger off the trigger. Put this to your shoulder. Now take it in nice and firm. All right, now down, Hans. Now pump it up and squeeze the trigger. Pump it up, baby. Cool. Pump it up. And up.
Woo!
Awesome. There you go.
Sick.
All right, cool.
Oh, yeah! Get that fucker out of the house.
There you go. Slam back. Hold on here.
Yeah, there's something on.
Okay, now slam back. Okay, good. Now, squeeze the trigger. Good. Now pump it up. There you go. Now, tuck it in. Tuck it in. Slam it back. There you go. Now remember, aim, 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 aim. Aim, aim, aim. Good. All right. Now, how was that?
Awesome.
Now, was it comfortable for you?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Makes a lot of sense. And when you pull it in, you're giving me that. Next time I do it, I know exactly where I'm going. Great.
Yep.
I appreciate that. It's like a little bit of a lesson in between everything. I love it. Did you put it on camera? Take the picture? You're still videoing.
You don't need to shoot fast with it. Each time you squeeze the trigger, it's a fucking sledgehammer slamming into somebody.
Oh.
One round will put. I'm serious. They will put their ass on the ground. No, I had to pump somebody down at once. So this is a very serious pistol. Now let me show you the proper position on it. Finger off the trigger, fingers on fingers, thumbs on thumbs, just like this.
Okay.
Arms straight. Align the 3 dots onto the target. When you're ready to fire, safety off. Now, don't pull the trigger. Gently.
Slowly.
Gently. Just as gently as you can inside the trigger.
Okay.
Just like this.
Gotcha.
This is one motherfucking hammer. This is good shit.
Put the hammer down. This is good shit.
Alright. Shooting hand, good firm grip, yep. Shooting hand. In support with your fingers right there, thumb side to side, arm straight. Now, look through the sight, left thumb, bring the safety down. Good, keep your thumbs together, put it on to. Okay, 3 dots on the target, 3 dots now, and gently on the trigger.
Oh.
Okay, you're off trigger. Good. All right.
So rad.
Now that is the 1911.
That's quite the gun.
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah!
Now,
Oh yeah, right between the titties.
now, did you hit what you were aiming for?
I kind of feel like I did, yeah.
That's what the 1911 is for.
Right in the face, right in the nose, right in the titties, right in the throat.
Good. Arm straight. Now, don't be too rigid. Now line up the 3 dots right between its eyes. Now with your left thumb, bring that one down. Bring the safety down. Right there, push down. Good. Now keep your thumbs together. Close the palms there. Now relax. Okay, now line the 3 dots up. Now put your finger on the trigger when you're ready. Now keep the 3 dots steady. Now gently press the trigger. Good.
Wow.
Now, line up, just focus your 3 dots directly right onto the target and just gently on the trigger, always. Take your time. Okay, remember, 3 dots and gently press. Cool. Take your time. Lean forward just a little bit. There you go, cool. There you go, right between his eyes.
And I'll take the next target for the Tommy gun.
There you go. Take your time. Take your time. Okay, finger off the trigger right there for now. Let me reload your pistol.
One of the shell casings went down my shirt here.
Oh, fucking hot, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he's tattooed to a bunch of 9s. That probably
Oh,
depends.
yeah. Fuck that shit, man. Alright, go ahead. Both hands on the firearm. Arm straight. There you go, good. Now, safety off. Good. Align 3 dots onto the target and gently press. Take your time. Take your time now. Take your time. There you go, good. 3 dots on there. Right between the freaking eyes. Good time.
Yes.
Okay, finger off trigger. Good. All right.
Serious.